Tēnā rā koutou katoa. My first mihi is to Ngāti Apa ki te rātua, Te Atiawa, to Ngāti Koata, Ngāti Kuia, Ngāti Rārua, Ngāti Tō Rangatira, Rangatani ki Wairau, and Ngāti Tama ki Te Waipounamu. The 8 iwi of Te Tauihu who have done so much in supporting our whānau over the difficult days leading out of the pandemic. We have seen the way in which you've worked together. You've delivered kai to your whānau, you've been on the phone to your kaumātua through Kaumātua Connect, you've been delivering many hygiene packs, and thank you for that, and you've also been working in collaboration with the agencies and the Whānau Ora entities around you. And I want to also acknowledge that Whānau Ora navigators at Te Āwhina Marae and Motueka, at Wakatū Marae and Nelson, at Mātā Waka ki te Tauihu, in Te Hauora o Ngāti Rārua, and in Waikawa Marae and Picton. They are a formidable team who are doing the work every day for whānau. I know that the iwi in Te Tauihu often use the concept e waka eke noa. That is so pertinent to the issue of navigation, because when we're in a waka, sometimes we have to paddle just that bit faster, and hasn't the last 6 weeks meant we've been paddling rapidly into a future which is sometimes uncertain. Sometimes you just have to kia tau, to put your hoi at rest and look out and see what the environment is around you. But most importantly, we are in that waka together, moving forward whatever happens, being alert to the currents that may come, and also waiting for the storms that we know are inevitable. So in that context, I'm really pleased that we've been able to strengthen manakia iwi and Te Tauihu through the provision of another navigator role, which is specifically to support the 8 iwi collaboration. I wish you well in your journey ahead. I know that we'll be part of that waka with you, and I look forward to continuing to paddle as fast as we can to create the future that we want to see for all of our whānau. Kia ora.